Hello, and thank you for joining me in my Clean with Me. So I'm in my kitchen starting out, as you can see, getting all of my dishes done, taking the dishes out of the dishwasher. I like to make sure that I put everything in its respective place, the glasses where they need to go, the cups, etc. So that's what I'm doing here, just taking everything out. I have a lot of cups, teacups, coffee cups. Me and my daughter like tea and coffee. So I'm just putting those things away, our glassware where it needs to go, our porcelain for our meals in their respective place. Just like having things kind of separated where they should be when I need them. I know where to go for them. And here I am. I got all my cleaning supplies out so that I could get ready to clean the rest of the house. Yep, wiping down the refrigerator is important. You get a lot of handprints, etc. So I'm putting the dishes away, the pots and pans, and wiping down as you go. Making sure everything is clean is important. Yep, putting away the mat for drying, turning off the lights in there. That's it. But before I go on, I'm enjoying my pitcher of tea. No sugar, just water and tea bags. Yum, yum. All right, so now I'm in the dining room. Here's what I'm reading. Too busy not to pray. And my fall flowers. Yep. So I'm trying to make sure that I keep the table all nice and shiny at least once a week. So there it is. It looks great, right? I love it. Nice wood. I even wiped down the chairs. And so same thing here, wiping down the plants and the table where all the plants are at because it gets dirty sometimes. And now time for the mirror cleaning. All the mirrors. I love mirrors. They bring in light and brighten up the room. So yep, there we go. I'm even cleaning the glass on the doors. Inside and out, makes things look nice and clean. That's me. It was nice outside. Yes, home is where the heart is. And there's some more mirrors. I should have put those up in the front, the other part. But yep, more mirrors. Light and reflection. It helps a lot in the house. And yes, I'm blessed. I thank God for my life. And here's my laundry. So some things I hang up. Not everything goes in the dryer. Helps to preserve your clothes, right? How many of you guys hang up your things? It just helps to preserve them. Again, yeah, I kind of created this space for us to hang things. And there I am getting the next load in. Clean, 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 clean. All right, now on to the bathrooms. Getting the toilets all cleaned up, the bathtub. Yeah, it takes time to get a house clean. And there we go. Everything's all cleaned up in that one. Yep. And now time for vacuuming. Yeah, I looked at my bed. I was like, oops, you didn't pull that spread over the comforter. But anyway, I'm putting away some of the laundry that had dried. Again, I like to put things away, put them in their place. Here's my closet. A lot of clothes may be in the dryer, hanging up downstairs. But trying to keep things in order. That's important for my own sanity. And there we go, all clean. That's in my bedroom, right? Keeping my room clean. How many of you guys may iron your pillowcases if needed? I do. Sometimes they're wrinkled. It just looks a lot better when they're ironed. And all done in there. So I'm able to move on. Yep, we're done. And get some of the other areas clean. So that's me. I am done. Got everything cleaned up. I left some rice cakes on the counter that I had been eating. So turning some of those lights out that are not needed while I'm out. Allowing the daylight to come in. Turning air off. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.